My name is Quentin Riggins, and I'm here with McLean Thompson Curver to speak with you a little bit about the duties associated with acting as a guardian in South Dakota. McLean?
Thank you, Quentin. A guardian has the responsibility of looking after a person's living arrangements, health care, and treatment. A guardian has the duty to consider the wishes of the person, if known. In addition, a guardian must defer to a protected person to make decisions on their own and maintain sufficient contact with the protected person to know of their capabilities, limitations, needs, and opportunities. A guardian is also a fiduciary. This means that the guardian owes a duty of loyalty and duties of care to the person for whom the guardian was appointed. A guardian must avoid conflicts of interest and must always place the interest of the protected person ahead of their own interests. Guardians must act in good faith and must consult with healthcare and other professionals as necessary in order to render the best decisions possible for the persons for whom they are responsible. If there is more than one guardian, a majority must concur in order to make decisions on behalf of the protected person. And now Quentin will discuss the guardian's annual accounting.
Thank you, McLean. One of the major responsibilities of the guardian is to file an annual report. The guardian must file the annual report detailing the protected person's situation, as well as the actions the guardian has taken on behalf of the protected person. Although it is possible to waive the requirement of an annual report under limited circumstances, the report itself must be filed in every year unless the court has specified more frequent annual reports. The report is due within 60 days of the first anniversary of the appointment as a guardian and annually thereafter. The guardian's annual report must contain the following information. 1. The current mental, physical, and social conditions of the protected person. 2. The living arrangements for the protected person during the reporting period. 3. The medical, educational, vocational, and other professional services provided to the protected person and the guardian's opinion as to the adequacy of the protected person's care. 4. A summary of the guardian's visits with the protected person and the activities taken on behalf of the protected person by the guardian. 5. If the protected person is institutionalized, whether the guardian agrees with the current treatment plan and living arrangements. 6. A recommendation as to the need of continued guardianship, as well as any recommended changes to the scope of the guardianship. 7. Any other information requested by the court or useful in the opinion of the guardian. 8. Compensation requested and reasonable and necessary expenses incurred by the guardian. 9. The guardian's annual report may be combined with the conservator's annual accounting if the guardian and conservator are the same person or persons. A sample report is available on the South Dakota State Bar Association's website. After the guardian's annual report is completed, the guardian must mail a copy of the report no later than 14 days following filing with the court to the following people. 1. The minor or protected person. 2. The minor or protected person's attorney or attorneys, if any. 3. The facility responsible for the minor or protected person's care and custody. 4. The protected person's spouse, children, parents, brothers and sisters, or, if none, to the protected person's nearest known relative who would be entitled to inherit by intestate succession if the protected person passed away. And 5. Anyone else required by the court. Next, we will have a list of the available resources to all guardians in the state of South Dakota.